Food is energy expressed in physical and edible form. And why is it important? Because you are what you eat. What you consume, you become, literally. And as you consume food, you become the frequency that you are consuming. Chemicals in our foods, they're not normal, they're not natural. And they affect the food and the vibration of the food that we consume, therefore affecting us and our vibration when we consume it. So food can be a very powerful tool to raise our vibration, but it can also be very detrimental if used in a way that's not in alignment with the natural course of creation, with the natural laws of creation of our universe. Food is the physical instrument that connects us to source energy because it is source energy. And that physical instrument is the instrument, one of the biggest ones, that give us the ability to receive the divine light or God, spiritual abundance, in this physical experience of life. And food is a perfect and prime example of those physical instruments.